Friends, a simple discipline which would work wonders in our life. When you're alone, mind your thoughts. I repeat, when you're alone, mind your thoughts. When you're with your friends, mind your attitude. When you're with your friends, mind your attitude. When you're angry, mind your words. When you're with your family, mind your behavior. When you're in trouble, when you're facing challenges in life, mind your emotions. When the divinity bestows you with abundance, mind your ego. A simple suggestion. You don't need to be spiritual. You don't need to do pilgrimages to improve your life. If you can improve on your thoughts and emotions. That's why I suggested, when you're alone, mind your thoughts. There's a saying, if you're not comfortable with the person you are alone with, you're in a bad company. So, mind your thoughts. When you're with your friends, mind your attitude. Have a balanced attitude with them. When you're angry, mind your words. There's a beautiful quote. Speak when you're angry. You'll make the greatest speech you'll ever regret. So, when you're angry, mind your words. When you're with your family, mind your behavior. You could be the CEO of an organization, but you are a father, you are a brother, or you are a son, or you are a daughter, or you are a daughter-in-law, whatever. Mind your behavior. Don't bring in your ego into it. When you are in trouble, when you're facing difficulties in life, mind your emotions. It's easy to become emotional, but to deal with emotions in a graceful way requires some kind of effort, some kind of tapas, or some kind of spiritual alignment. When the divinity bestows you with abundance in your life, materially, in terms of success, divinity bestows you. You are a cause of it, but when you're experiencing success, abundance, mind your ego. Don't allow your ego to manifest and spoil your success. The new year is coming. This is a general suggestion to all of you, so that if you can work on it. Resolutions are easy, friends. They say, let all your troubles be as your New Year resolutions. You break it immediately after a week of when the year starts. So, New Year is coming, 2023. It could be a defining year when you start working on yourself. So these are all simple suggestions, but it will push start your journey into becoming the best version of yourself. Best wishes to one and all for a glorious, a peaceful, purposeful, invigorating year where there is success, abundance in every possible way in your life. Best wishes.